Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Zsoft screen recorder actually to record your screen. As you can see here, after installing you can select the what do you call it? You can select the camera in order to make your movie, and you can select the microphone to enable the microphone or disable the microphone. I'm disabling right now the, what do you call it, camera, webcam. If I disable the, what do you call it, see, you cannot hear me. Okay, if I enable the microphone, and if I press pause, actually again you can resume, and if you press on a start and stop button, it will stop working. And then if you click on this one, you can see the list of the movies that you have recorded here, so that you can upload to the YouTube or wherever you want, as you can see here. Okay, now if I close this one, still I have the recorder here. So now I'm going to pause. Again I'm pressing to resume, and then I can change the, what do you call it, the position of the, what do you call it, place for making the movie. As you can see here, I can change the size of the movie that I'm creating from the screen, even while recording. Okay, so this is the way that you can use, actually this is the way that you can use screen recorder to record the screen. Do not forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you need the application, just be in contact with me. I can send it to you as a portable application, then you can use it.